So these days we're all on video calls and Zoom meetings, and with that comes a lot of, annoying challenges, right? So today I'm going to show you 3 things that are going to completely change all that. We're going to go step by step. I'm going to show you how to use your smartphone to say goodbye to that bad quality webcam, streamline your entire process so you save tons of time, and I'm going to help you look and sound amazing. And the best part, everything I'm about to show you, well, it's quick and easy. Let's get to it. Now, the first thing we're going to want to do is download an app. It's called iRun or iReune. I've heard it pronounced both ways, but either way, it's completely free. You're going to go to Google Play or the App Store and search iReune, and you're going to download the app to your phone. You'll probably also see an app called Webcam. Now, Webcam costs like $7, and the only difference that I could see from using both is that with Webcam, you don't have to necessarily be connected to a Wi-Fi. But if you don't think that, being connected to a Wi-Fi is going to be an issue for you, then I would encourage you to download the completely free one. Okay, so next we're going to go to the website and download iReune.com. And we're going to have 2 options here. You're going to see a Windows and a Mac. I have a Mac, so I'm going to download for the Mac. And then you'll just walk through the prompts to download and install on your computer. So now we're going to head over to Zoom and we're going to connect. And if you go to the bottom left-hand corner, you see audio and you see video. Now, don't worry about the audio just now because I'm going to get to that in a second. Let's focus on video. All I want to do is make sure that I have the iReune webcam here selected. Now you're going to see that it's looking for phone. So all I want to do is go over to my phone here, tap the app, and you're going to see that now I'm connected on my phone and now I'm connected here. We're all connected and we are set to go. Now that we have our phone connected and we're using that for our meetings, we want to be able to put it somewhere. So for number 2, I want you to focus on a tabletop tripod. It allows us to set up our phone, be completely hands-free, and what I actually like to do is put it right above my actual webcam so that it's really at the perfect height and my eye line looks really great. Now I have 2 that I use, but to be honest, there are a ton of options. One thing I would suggest doing is going to Amazon and go on the used section, and you could probably find a really good buy that's still in, excellent condition. Now, before we get to how to look and sound amazing, if you are enjoying this conversation, you're getting a little bit of value, why don't you like the video? And as a matter of fact, if you have a question while you're here, just pop it in the comments below. Okay, now, when it comes to looking and sounding amazing, audio and lighting are 2 really important things. Hold on a second. John, you said we were going to do things that were quick and easy. Okay, that's fair enough. Microphones and lighting can get a little bit complicated. However, that's not what we're talking about here. With the audio and lighting solution that I'm about to show you, they can actually fit right in your pocket. This little mini ring light clips onto your phone. It can clip onto your computer. This is without, and this just simply attached to my phone, gets rid of all those shadows so people can actually see you. And the best part, you don't have to worry about batteries or the hassle of it being charged or not. It has a USB that you just connect right into your computer, so you're good to go. And next, when it comes to sound, I have picked up this DD mini mic. It's super light, slides right into the hot shoe mount without adding any extra weight. It easily connects to your phone with a lightning cable, and truly into the setup here is really easy. You're just gonna go to the bottom left-hand corner here where it says audio. We're gonna go to audio settings, microphone right here. You're probably gonna have your internal mic connected, and you're gonna look for this option right here, and you'll be set to go. The audio it gives me is so incredible that I'll actually use it for shoots just like this. As a matter of fact, I'm using it right now. I have it connected to my DSLR camera because it also connects to a DSLR. And this is the sound audio that I'm getting from my DD mini mic, which is mounted literally right there. What I also really love about this mic is that it's powered using what we call phantom power. So I don't need batteries. I don't need to plug it in. It simply runs off the power of my DSLR camera, like right now, or the power of my phone. Now, if you're currently shooting video with your phone for your business, whether it's for social media posts, maybe some videos for your website, or maybe even your YouTube channel, there's one change that you're gonna wanna make that's gonna completely level up the quality of your video, and it's gonna make it a lot easier to shoot handheld with your phone. You're gonna wanna check out this video right up here. Now, thanks for stopping by, checking out this video. If you got some value, please be sure to like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.